Hello, you're welcome. Today we are going to make these cards. Yeah, we drafted direct on our fabric. We used a polythene bag. Yeah, so since it wasn't so big, I just folded it into 4 parts. I folded it twice. Yeah, making it 4 parts. Yeah, so whatever we have, whatever measurements we have, we are going to divide them by 2 on the horizontal lines. So we are going to mark from the waist to the hip. That starting line I put is the waist to the hip. You mark that measurement there. Then after that, you're going to go on your waist and you get your waist divided by 4. You divide your waist by 4 plus 1 inch. That is for the dart. Yes. And then you come on your hip line and you get your hip measurement, divide by 4. You must add 1 inch. So when I measured my hip, it was covering all, so I did not mark. Yeah, so I went on my knee measurement. On my knee, I used my hip measurement minus 2 or 3 inches. Yeah, so here I used minus 2 inches. I don't want the skirt to be so tight again. Then I cut. Will you see me cutting? I left some sewing allowance small because the material was also very small. So I come and make a dart there. Remember, we left 1 inch for the dart and I made a dart there. So I'm going to notch where the dart passes on all the 4 sides. So I'm going to first sew my darts. Yeah, it's easier when you sew your darts first before you do anything else. And in case you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe, yes. And in case you're returning subscriber, oh my god, I love you so much. Thank you for always coming here and watching these videos, yes. And in case you have a video you want me to make for you, you can drop it in the comment section. So I sewed one side of my skirt. Yeah, I sewed it twice because this is a plastic bag. Sometimes the threads come out. Yeah, so now we are going to get the front part of our skirt and come down by 1 inch. Remember, we do that on all our skirts if you've been following. So we are going to also come down on our skirt on one side and make a curve like that, then cut it. One side, you make the curve from one side of your skirt. Yes, if you've not understood this part, please replay it until you understand it. It's the down part, not the upper part. Yeah, so you come on the down part of the skirt in one corner and make a curve there. As you've seen me, I've cut it out. Then I'm going to sew. So to measure, to get your gathered ruffle for the down part, you need to measure how wide your skirt is from down. So you get a measuring tape and rotate that measuring tape around the down part of your skirt. Get a piece of cloth which is times 2 of that measurement. Then you make a straight stitch on that cloth and make gathers of that. So you gather that fabric to make the first measurement you had. Yeah, like you can make a gathered skirt or a gathered dress or anything gathered. So you just get a piece of fabric which is 2 times the length and make gathers, and make sure when you finish it is the exact measurement of that length you want. So after doing that, you just attach it, because I did not show how I made it, but there are a lot of videos on this channel of how to make this gather. You can check them out. Oh, I'm going to put one in the description box. You can see how you gather this cut. Yeah, this part down. Yes, and after doing that, that's how our model came out. That's our skirt. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for always coming to this channel and liking and sharing and commenting. I love you so much. May the good Lord bless you, and goodbye.